Okay, here we have two of Chanel and Amarok's girls. Both short hair, I believe. This is green collar. This is purple. She's got a little bit darker silver. And she's got a little bit lighter silver. Yeah, happy little girl. She just wants to be in your lap, just like her mom. Check out those kitties. Baby girl. Oh, you're just a happy one, aren't you? Yes, Miss Green. Just a wagging her tail for all she's worth. Okay, here. Let's get you over here where I can see a little better, though. There we go. There we go. I can see both of you, maybe, before you climb in my lap again. Yeah, look at that cute little paw. Look at that cute little paw. Oh no, it's the tail games again. These kitties think it's great to play with puppy tails. And this is purple. Sweet baby. This is Slim, watching. Let's put you over here. There we go. Oh dear, did I put you in the wrong place? I don't. Oh dear. And purple. And green. Oh no. What? Green and purple. Hey, sweetie. Here, you are hard to video when you're in my lap, though. You two together.
And the Meg.
Green princess. And purple princess. Not sure about that kitty in the bushes, huh? Kitty in the bushes! Naughty boys. What are you doing in there? Yes. I love you too, baby girl. Yes. Little green. And purple. Are you eating her tail? No, these guys are clowns. You guys are so pretty. Gosh. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. The little tail going. He's looking at the kitty.